See, accidents not only in Kalangut, but accidents have increased all over Goa. And म्हाका दिसता we need to introspect the government officers, including the police, and instructions are given to PWD to repair our roads. Day after tomorrow we are patching up all the roads, that is main road. पावसान जे रोड आमी खणलेले for cable, ते परवाच्यान hot mix start करतले Saturday soon. Right from Saligaon up to Kalangut, wherever there are potholes, we will try to cover them up. All these days it was raining so heavily, it has been bad. So today's accident, Cipriano Lobo has suffered injury for his leg. हाड तेजे भायर सरलेले हा. The accident जो हा, tourist from Mumbai who had come to Goa, they are BMW. ती पार्क केल्या पळय थिंगा चुकोन म्हाका दिसता ती गियर पडले आनी ती गाडी फुडें गेली. So they are saying it has happened this thing unintentionally. They are being taken for examination to check whether anybody was under the influence of alcohol. It looks in the PI's room, nobody was smelling of alcohol, and they said that we did not have a drink. So let us see. The report will come. They will be taken for examination, and Cipriano Lobo and his son are taken to JMC, where doctors will immediately take care of them and do the required operation for his leg, where his bone has come out. म्हणजे हाड ताजे भायर सरला आनी लोकूय बेजार जाल्ले आहा कितें पळयल्लें आहा की गोंयान एक्सिडंट वाडत आहा आनी प्रशासन तेजेर व्हडलोसो भार घालिना. म्हाका दिसता आमचो मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत तेणें प्लस PWD प्लस ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट हेंच्यांनी इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करपाची गरज आसा. जी ट्युरिस्ट गोंया येता आपली गाडी घेवन येता तेजे भायर जे ट्युरिस्ट हिंगासर रेंट कार घेता रेंट बायक घेता ते खुबशे जाण अशें जाता की पियोन गाडी चलयता.
येस,
आतां काल पासून जी गाडी भितर गेल्या तो 100% पियल्लो आसता. कित्याक ताका बॅरिकेडींग म्हणजे ते डबस्टोन आसलो ताका, सो ते भितर वचोंक जायत ना गाडी. सो ही हेज टेकन एवरीथींग इनसायड एंड गॉन. इतलो तेप तो सर्कल थिंगात आसलो, सर्कल काय नेहो बांदूंक ना. सो हाव ही कॅन जस्ट गो इनसायड. इट इज अ मॅटर ऑफ कन्सर्न. बट वी वील हॅव टू डू समथींग फॉर द. It's not only we can always say tourism. Life is very important of every individual from the state of Goa. Tourists जर गाडी पियोन चलय जाल्यार मार आमकां बसता लोकलाक. Because somebody who is walking on the road, side of the road, footpath, they are being the victims of the accidents. So त्या खातीर government needs to do a study on this आनी तेजेर सल्युशनूय हाडपाक जाय. हें काम आमचें गव्हर्मेंटाचें हें करपाक जाय तेंच्यांनी. एक्सिडंट्स खूब ह्या दिसांनी वाडलेले आसा, हें आमी मान्य करपाक जाय.